Some tradespeople can rebuild an engine blindfolded. But when it comes to writing the Red Seal exam, even the most experienced parts technicians can feel unsure. That's why Parts Technician Red Seal practice exams are such a powerful tool. They don't just test what you know, they help you learn what to expect. Let's take a look at how they work and why they matter. When you register for the Red Seal, you're signing up for a standardized exam used across Canada. It usually includes 100 to 150 multiple choice questions, and you'll have up to 4 hours to complete it. The questions are based on real-world skills, inventory procedures, product identification, vendor management, safety protocols, and system documentation. So, how do you get ready? With the same strategy you'd use on the job: prepare, review, and test. That's where practice exams come in. They simulate the real format. You'll get used to reading carefully, spotting keywords, and making confident choices. You'll also discover which areas need more review, so your study time is smarter, not longer. If it's been a while since you've studied, don't stress. Many tradespeople are in your shoes, especially mature learners or those new to Canada. Practice exams help ease you back into test taking and boost your confidence with every round. Now let's talk about tools that make this process easier. At redsealstudyguide.ca, you'll find a full set of digital-only resources. Our question and answer books are a great place to start. They help with recall and structure. If you prefer to understand why an answer is right or wrong, try the Q&A with explanation version. And when you're ready, test yourself with our online timed practice exams, designed to match the real thing. You can use them on your phone, tablet, or laptop. No shipping, no delays, just instant access, right when you need it. These resources are built for people like you, working tradespeople who want practical support. And they're based on the Red Seal occupational standards, so they reflect the real demands of the parts technician trade. Remember, nobody learns by reading alone. Active practice is what helps content stick. Start by breaking your prep into sections: inventory and warehousing, customer service, technical documentation, and safety. Do a few practice questions after each review session and track your progress. Studying a little every day adds up, and over time, you'll see the difference, not just in your scores, but in how confident you feel. And when exam day comes, you'll walk in focused, calm, and ready. You've worked hard to build your skills on the job. Now it's time to show that you're ready to earn the Red Seal. And if you want study tools that are made for Canadian tradespeople, head over to redsealstudyguide.ca and explore your options. Your exam isn't just a test, it's a step toward bigger opportunities, better pay, and nationwide recognition. Let's make sure you walk in prepared and walk out certified.